Alrighty, YouTubers, happy Saturday to all. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. I know mine tonight was very interesting last night. Definitely not YouTube friendly, but it was a good time. Saturday, April 28th, we have another one of these. There goes my scissors. Amazon Prime unboxing. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime, fast shipping, and get it in no time. Especially for Mother's Day coming up in like 2 weeks, I do believe. And this will be a good one for her to get. There we go. And we have one of these. HAMSWAN. This thing is crazy looking. You see them on reality shows now more often, like Jersey Shore, they had one of these on it. So if you guys watch that, you can see them using one of these mirrors. I will definitely show you. I got my mask on. Here we go. And now, let me raise you guys up, drop you guys down. Boom. Bada boom. Gotta love this new technology though. Crazy stuff out here. And this is a makeup mirror. Here we go. If you guys can see. Awesome stuff. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is a stand. The base. Pretty cool. So you got the USB right there. I have to take this off. I'm going to have to move it to my USB side unless it's charged. Hopefully it's charged up and ready to roll. Wow, this is nice. Lightweight. Like I said, they got a really good deal going on right now. So you guys might want to pick it up and put it down like that. Boom. Snaps in. And then we go on the back side. I can use batteries or USB, so it's up to you. We're gonna do USB because, like I said, well, actually, yeah, we're gonna do USB. Just give me 1 second. Oh, come on. Get in your hole. Bam. Alright. Plug this little thing in here. USB cord. Oh, you can also use your power banks and portable chargers to get this rolling. Also, shoot, I could hook this up to my computer. Alright, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna pause. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. The second part. I just, like I said, hooked it up to the computer and all that good stuff. Let's see if you guys can see it. Artwork out of the way. Here we go. I'm gonna open this up. Uh-oh. Huh? Didn't have to show myself after all. So here it is. Maybe you do need batteries also. That's what it looks like. Open. Got those. Yeah. Pretty cool. Let's see the lights up. Oh, I gotta hit the switch. Hello. There's a tiny little switch back here. Right there, you just gotta click it on. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the white balance. There it is. On and off. And ooh. What's going on here? And it needs to be charged. It's supposed to light up. Off. And then plug it in full. No, it's in there. Maybe like what's going on here? Alright. wanted to get the batteries. Dang. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got this loaded up. As you can see, it lights up, nice LED style. Really bright. I'm not sure if you could adjust by touching it. But that's really cool. So, I think it folds. Oh yeah. Look at that. Boom. Hopefully you guys can see it. Focus, man. There we go. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. Get this gift for your mother for Mother's Day coming up. So that's it. In the mirror. And you guys have a good one. Be safe, and I will see you guys hopefully back tomorrow. If not, sometime during the week. See ya.